your website www.sompaonline.com. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic and a tonsafro Dr. Duboatin was a bra nebeji ayarishe papa endpoint edema with stroke and wabini die yaria aju ni pedua aboso wo didi awie ya ene ye fiada di haja special local foods eduane papa fee kasa natural mineral water eya budu nsuo wo wedding no party no enu nsuo we ne beboa wo amane manyina edimu akama amawo ensamo ye de esom awie yi de edimu akotene no ebini
Bunu mantemu prosi atnaye womo akire odifo baabi ya womo kire se abamu a wadi mfihia ne dunsia no wadi ne mpabro wiye ne wato na hye edan mu ehonsem awie ye de bremu
ankwanhya bia si awota kwade kwantempon no so awehosem no sane pamienu womo afim
Attorney General anasa aban lawyer panyin so akasa ede afachema wuntumi asem ho ne de betudwa awie
Saranso ena ensemtrofo enkabom ko ewo my Ghana mu womo de ato dwa se Owura Larry Dogbe ya asesi ano high court ahye se wonkotwera dabampu na chi nafua no enson no eyade bi e ha dwene pa
Interior Ministry no ade aba se womo susu bribi sane ebeye beba baye o hya se obibia da obepa abaye dwuma ewo mamu ne France drug test no ebeye obi
Director General de Ghana Prison Service Owura Patients Bafu Boni what they said to Ghana for nim kwan befa so aneduafo ye be hye wo mu yie na wo mu mpomden SCP esita
Environmental Protection Agency womo de ato dwa se aban gina ya wosi ye se womo brate away parks ne eniema bi a etete sa no womo support pa na eyade se ede wo house ronko eba nipa pomuden so a emu enkomo ye de na mawie yi
Antiara yansaka trose good campaign for egu ahoboa so sane yebaya womne PURC abekwa akohia na enkane ani nsuo bo ya totum no womo sigina yi
Enwachi national organizer the Modern New Patriotic Party amonyoko no lawyer Henry Nanabuachi wase party no obia entam chuku efa honorable Kennedy Japan ye na free party no no
na amanyoku NPP no emu ye de obekwa santemantam ne mu na constituency executive ahodo womo epeso womo kodi de bre no ebra so sempenifo hya ase toto woma no edi ahia na meya dom July ne da etoso eduba ko abato
Sanso anakuma semeyo Yero Richard Oforajima Bodi do one man second Zuba one so akasa de achenuanu mu a womo aye one service ewo mayimu
ekwan ye befa so mpomdi hu dwumadie begina na nanso do man west nti enno hye bedwani a wo ho honorable Vincent Ompon Asamoa ede nsem bia todwa ede afa ho awie ye bepensem pensemu ede amamo
Wei ne nsama huduo bi amanone de ka ho arehusem bi asi ewo Venezuela maino emu a wo mo kyerem se ye kasa bambofo ne yatu wo mo mpempem se earthquake bi a asi asase wosoe wo mo nkohwe na wo mo maka asase mu no nyina no wo mo ntumi enyi wo mo a ye de eho nsem eba beso mu awie se kase bo ye no mo a yatena se ADWOA ASARE AGYEIWAA mene
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA kwade boaten ena
die nyame ehira no AKOSUA ago abowaje obetimi so afrem AKOSUA nhira
Afei ensem no enchiremu ankasa enie aprosifo ewobono mantam no emu wo mahase yenhwehwemu e de afa ensem bia ababeto wo manimu a emu obram kakra ne nyina ne se sofo maame ba we kura de wodifo ba en wo mu kiremu se abamu abi etene nchen a wadi mfihia no edunsia 16 years na asemi asufufu ye no no wo sunyan ismensin no emu eho ena esiye na wo monsa ka prophetess yi emu a wo bo amanhwehwemu etimi akoso na wo hye nkrata a free public affairs unit e wo Ghana Police Service e ba ye no a wo mu kiremu se June ni de toso aduru miensa ena wo mu nya call se suspect ya ye ka ne ho asem ya ye friend prophetess Rebecca Kumi wadi mfihia no aduasa nkron 39 years a wono ene ye kofare by das afo ye friend Overcomers Church no e wo bono mantem ho na wo mu kiremu se teenager bi etene nche abamu a ya abamu a na wotene nche ne maami de kro no ato akoda ne so se wawie ne sika na sika na wawie aye no beye nafua de wo honie akwada ne maame yankasa se wonim baabi akwada no so woni onim se otekonfo ba ne nchen enti de ekoso ewo efie honom ne de won hyeda enya awe ya wonim de ekoso na wo mo hwehwe akwada no a ne maame se won te ne nka enti wo mo ye wo mo investigations wo mo ko hu se akwada no se esofo bayi aloke na hyepunu mu a loke na wa loke na hye ho no wo mo ko hu no na se de ye de yensa keka na ya bobobobo no na poso ne tichu ni na beti wo hye ne nsani fa no ho no mo a ase ne beti ne kura ye hu atofam na ni ase ahonhono na ni mu nyina aye basa wutimu se ya bodo ankasa na eno na asase ne de prophetess kiremu se wono no kura na santansa na ye de bono no enya de se wodi mu ho hwe wo mo ko hu abaamu ano na wo hye nika kokko ya ye de ntoma akuru ne ho a wutimu se ebro ne pa de science ne nyina ewo akwada no ho a bambofo ebo amanhwehwemu atimi akoso na wo mototo na no wo kiremu se maami eye June da na etoso edunson na kyese na watwe etwa mu wuku ada no na wo se maami ne se wawia no dollars US dollars ibie maami ne se wo de bia ba fi ho na akwada na fa na Samsung mobile phone bi nso eye prophetess dia no wo kire se abamu 16 years no afa wabisa no a wose wonhunu baabi wonso wonim pa se eyakwada na afa sanse fie ho na wone ne tie no enyi obi foforo bi amafi ho enti hwan na eba befa sa US dollars na fa mobile phone no aka ho eni se yesusu se prophetess yi eto akwada yi punu mu a wosibam no sibam trofo a etesanti ye kasei bambofo so ni mu a wo mu bisa no wogi tumu se wode ne nsa akeka akwada ne nyina ne se ne wosu se wawie ne sika enti ye kasei de yede abamu ano akwakopie mu ewo Sunyan Municipal Hospital eho na wogia yerehwa police fo ache prophetess no Rebecca Kumi no ya che no ya wo bambofo akache a wono so yetutu nano a wo boa manhwehwemu akonkan a yesi nyame ya adom kora yede ne kwakogina mra nanim court na wayiyi nsam bia no na nyame ncha de bambofo abo yesi Good Samaritan bi kora na ebepie so efie ho ena wo mutimi rescue akoda na nyesa de a bia nko mbekwa kohunu ne kora no na de wo mpeso wo mbete no wo mate enti prophetess Rebecca Kumia wo ya founder ma Overcomers Church no ye kasai de wadasoa ewo aprosifo na kachia enche ye de no ebekwa kogina emra no anim
na kan kwanhya bi so si ewo lubode bata kwade kwantempo no so amare hosam wa ye tete na wie kyerese nipa mienu wo mo afrim afoforo nan bi a won mo ka ho so pra won mo pra no woten pa ya mpanyifo egina won so ententen na enchemu ya yansaka ya awie yi echemu a na kyerese tipa truck bi a registration number no GS 3789-24 na eno no free womayimu takrade enkwantempo no so na ekro na Nigeria passenger bus bi a eno so ne registration number no ne AAA 449 YN eno so free Lagos na eba batia simu ewo elubu na won mo kire mu ana se dum jadwumako yi a ewo ma Ghana mu enya entiye no entam so pa na won mo abo elubu fire station for amane ema ba se minute ni nsia so de na won mo duru hodada na won mo koye no sane yankwanhia na hometie setie ni ntino na adehia no a won mo ewo ka ni mo no obi akam wantumi mpie na obi a ehyehyen ni mu enti wo mo bo mo de adwutwa aka na nkakra kosi nipa makomako ensia no womo ayi womo afri mu na rewosam no se ebra womo yi womo free car ni mu no na Nigeria passenger bus no meta watimuo no ana driver no na wotwie no na wotina no ewo ensia to na tipa truck no so metia na watimuo no wono so woprepre mu odin pa ya na wo se womde ne kopie mu ayarsabia entem na afofia ntota ebra meti no so wokodo ayarsabia no na doctor for the baba to dwa kire se ekwam na wono so eje mu a na akwakoya hometesem na entie kakra kire se enei wo hwemu a Nigeria passenger bus no na ebra wo ba no wo sa amena bi edakwanim enti potwo no wo ye se wo doje no fa nchen na wo fa nchen no a na abusuafo fianto ata aka no eto no mo de kɔbɔ tipa truck ni mu a enei yate arewosam a etiseye anam so amadum jadwumaku a ewo ma Ghana mu dikafuto mo mafo nyina kyekyerew ne ahyenkafo no se ye na ma yenya hwɛ yie pa na ensu a etotori nti no eduruma bi a aya na amakwan mu a aye torotoro pa sa ye betumi ahwɛ na yaboa adehye no ewo ho nam so ntini won sra hyenkafo se kwantabra ntem no eduruma bi ade nkwanhye pii enenamo
Meka wo se SOMPA kasebo na wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. ADWOA ASARE prem to break kasebo na nwachi had special local food kasa natural mineral water ebo yechi do mama ye dia somo ene dey ebede di se chema wuntumi a owura ne din pa ye benadentwe bosi akwa the new patriotic party amanyuko no ye dwemtene ne mo asantemantem na sema wo court efa edugudie tu ho nsansam no otemuafo a wo hye edi asam ne a lawyer fo ne nsem bebre nam hu bebre ne mom de ekofa asem bebre ba ne se ne lawyer na wo gide mu ama no na se afaye bebre ama amane ama asam no na chance na se kura de wajai eti wo kan se wajai no na se ye hwe na atemu no ye de ba na judgment ne ye tu hyeda attorney general se wompene ne mpene kyena se ye pesa judgment ne ye tu hyeda na de enti akofa sa asem nyina aba ne se honorable lawyer Samuel Atachia se onu ne lawyer fofra wo ba begine mama ne so onu afa ne waba lawyer kumi no ko eti ono na ba no afa ne wo ba behwe na wo betoto ne manyina nti ye ma ne bre ne wontoto na atemu no empanifo ahye na nkoma ye ho adwuma nti wo de court no e na wo se court no entu nhyeda na no na atani dire na se hene ha da bi asam ne de ba bi anyina duru ne ba bi eduru ne pa de esese chema wontimi atemu ne ba ne ehunu se wodi bem anase wodi fo na se bia ne lawyer ni a wogina mu ma no ne lawyer ni no aka se wo mpa biem na lawyer foforo no aba no eno nkyesa lawyer foforo na aba no nso ye ma ne bre e ma no nkogire na wonka no asem eti sa asemi na senior state attorney na ma prempe wona de to court na nim se sa asam no ni application no a ye de ato wo manim no wo montungu kura ai ni kwanse mpanifo nso agitu mu nenso lawyer Samuel Atachia se won de wo pere ne se afei na you court registry ni ade wo ye ho adwuma ne nsa ba beto ne nim a wo twa ne ho sente ehunu ne wo mu wo hunu a na mo ne hu se asam no wo kwa ata na se wo kwa adwoa na se sa abre pa de ye ka se otemuafo no ono tie dwemu no wonfa na temu ne mra no eno de na achia kakra ye de asam ye chi de be firim ababi atiefo ye nyima so emfirim
ye toa premtobre kase bone so e won semfofro mu na nsɛmtwerɛfo nkabom ko Ghana Journalist Association GJ adwumako no wo mo de ato dwa sɛ wo hye nefu anson custodial sentence a ye de amansɛmtwerɛni ba ko wo man mu a wono kro ya na ye publisher Emma the Herald de obokrata no e frɛ no Larry Alans Dogbe no a eyade bi e hadwene pa na nkrata ya GJ fo e de baaye no wo so wo di wo mani edi nsam na chi a wo mo monitor papa se de be ya wo betimi anya afutuo bi de afiri mranimfo ho na wo mahunu anamo a wo so betu e de afa ho na atimi aboa sansɛmtwerɛ ni sanse GJ fo de wo madwuma kɛse ba ko no se wo bɛbɔ nsɛmtwerɛ fo ho ban enti se kɔba so obi be publish news bi ne nkɔ wiase ne yede ne kɔ akɔtum na fuanson de a na ɛnde yade bi e hadwene ne nyina ene sɛn wo mo kyerɛ mu se businessman na owo mayimu a ye frɛ no Kevin Ochre wono na ye founder ene penyinipa woda Springfield Exploration adwumako na no and Production Limited ena afei adwumako e frɛ no Petraco SA na wo kyerɛ mu se wono kro di kan court akɔgye injunction se na sembi da court na sansa asam ne da court ntino wa brase yewra Larry Dogbe yi ma won koka asem bia emfa wono Kevin Ochre ho anase adwumakuo ni company na worane no kra anase bibi enti na no wo kyerɛ sɛ asɛm no kopie mu wɔ court ma court no the ruling bi ebaaye sa ruling na wo de baaye no ɛna the Herald newspaper no wo mo publish bie sɛdeɛ other media outlets ni nyina wo mo ye no na ɛyɛ wɔn wa pii sɛ so wonim sɛ yɛn injunction na specifically wo mo ahyɛ da agye ato wɔ no Larry Dogbe ne so ntina ne newspaper no womo eko publishi bi a ede ye ho nsɛm abaidi a ende ye won hyɛ dan timi nkyerɛ na mmom GG fo akyerɛ sɛ we ne de e rather unfortunate sɛ wo mate bibi a ete saa ne nyina enkamfua no mranim ni ede ma Owura Dogbe ye e frɛ no David Anan wa kyerɛ mu sɛ saa 7-day jail term na high court no de aba ne de wo mote ase a enye yie enti wo mo boaboa wo makutrument no sɛ de be ya appeal yi wo mbetimi akobie ne nsɛm a wo de tu dwani.
I've never heard throughout my practice of a journalist being taken to prison because he's published something. The era of criminal libel is gone, and the days when you could be imprisoned for such are no longer with us. But this is where we are. Now, what I intend to do, I've had to wait for a considerable time to get the ruling of the court. And I'm looking at it, and frankly, I can see several errors in the judgment. So we are going to bring these errors to the notice of higher courts and then take it from there.
Ora David Anan ena yetene nkano wono na ye lawyer Emma Larry Alans Dogbe.
Onomonya fomu ntaka Mubarak Muhammad aye fisam so for your my Ghana mono panyi ade akwa to jaw ma shebjo fie ya woso su bribisa sanka betumi a Ghana yemfanya adwuma na beboa ye sa wo bibia da akwa pa adwuma ewo ankorankora adwuma komu anase mpo eye aban adwuma ne ye frana se drug test no aban no enya bi sa ne ye be ye beboa pa na nubone no amaburu na te won wate se aguso na ese wo mabrapo no sa de no to betumi atwa wo se na ewo hwemu a wo yinyuma be se bibisi won mu a emu nwotwe adwumafu wo mu dodo no a enubone ho adwuma na won mo ye won wato mu ntentante okotena adwumamu a waye twan se chewingam no jazaye de adwuma wura kora beka na otie wo se a wo se be no wode ne de ne namba bi wo ka na obebro saa nneoma no nyina akwakoye nneoma a ha twene a ha adwuma egu nnwuma wodo pinu a ewo magane mu afen so wo hwemo wo se na no kora bambo mu nsam yi a bambo adwuma ko yi se won mo fa security personnel of yi wo se obahwe nipa dodo be se empem a hanan ne akire yi safo ni nyina yi wo mu frim ni nyina no yese no bone a won mate wo mo atese ede agumu no eno nti na amana kwaba na sa no ndo su se samrasho dwafo gitum ne de yi adwuma ewo mamu a sa no bone no eto betimi atwa.
I call on this House to support government in considering the following priorities. Oversight very effectively the budgetary allocation to NACOP to close critical capacity gaps in intelligence, interception, and forensic analysis. Introduce an executive order that makes mandatory drug tests as a pre-employment requisite for entry into the public service and the private sector to safeguard institutional integrity, promote workplace safety, and deter drug use among the youth and working population.
Anti ansana yabafu adwuma no ye berhwe mu sanya bia no bone no wonum bi anasa wode wonka ho wei aye yewramu ntaka Mubarak Muhammad wasofo hwefisem ehonsem so.
Yet work as so na Director General de Ghana Prison Service eyo wura patients bafo boni what they said ya to Ghana for say neduafo wo mo so ye nipa eya yenwene wo mo ho eti wo mo ye die no wo mo kanko no wo masetene mu nkanko no ye die ni nyina no esese ye hwe ho asempa na ne titiru no eye enuro ai sese wo mo nya binom so obi wo neduafie ni nche se nipa na brabo asai anase watete se konte ba ye to na twere kora na so obi yare na wo hye niema bi ni niema bi a wo fa famu a na eya tete pa inti esese ye hwe na ye sum wo mu ye de fa ne quality health care no ebi eso wo so what the sam semi to Jebra Prisons Medicine and Equipment Bank a Prempe Assembly Hall Kumase wo mo eda na die no ena ye mami owurare patients bafo boni edison semi eto so na wo kirem se wono ye Director General Edema Ghana Prison Service no wobusa ne ho se ede na metimi aye fofora ebema na duafo obia bibi betimi esie mo akwa prison na emom se wo kopie ho a wasetene mu no enye basa.
One say we be that prison a draw to money at the otifie na ono anko hospital a obi am say obi ase awunya bedam dia ye said yes say it providing with all the care any blower here it's we no aye no a system aye create a there is a time bia na ndo no aye nya no wa obi yare a nya fe na ye stress but we have everything worked out as and when it is necessary you need to wow, it's a quenya made a and say, yeah, we whom I am China and Obase or Yarea. Now, yet you shall it will be a bell pepper on a woman, so we are pharmacists, so we are just an individual. No, Saka near my own, who say, one, showing Yabe, and I'm with you a while now, what they are.
Okwanche for paying wada Ghana Prison Service and we were patients bafo boni ne kasa and we ye na asante hini wo tumfo se tutu otosumienu na na bedi akodebro otosumienu ene kosi na nem na nananso nsema wode etusuni
India more Mukuni, no, and you might be white to snew, Titu, Aya Pumude, a share of Mopumudeno, a day for me, and nay and that prison company for she says, saying, I am my money member, nay, quite before so I remember Mopumude, and in the same any my little boy health care or Namana. India Maya, ye, near Babebois, now you best say, no more Munina was at the region, baby Ubia, say, a blue I was saying, I call you feel near. Said ye wote yakura hono minim said ye wo humanity ye be say bibi kakra obenya say dro say sika say empa mo beda so say niema e de check obi abra wo yare sa niema ne niema sisi omuni a ebitima boa wo bibi bre no ye ti already
eni ayeti ye kwama hene wono ene kosi otumfo setutu otosom yenu anam na bedi akodebre otosom yenu wakasa ye na yensencho ni ba wabedu etintim edi ababedum ye
Yetwa premto breka se bono so SOMPA 106.5 FM across so ediamamo Environmental Protection Authority EPA adwumekuo no wo mde abetu just aban gina ya wasie styrofoam take away packs ahodoe ne ne ye nyina no wo mo bebra ede afiri wo man mu no wo mo fu aso pa na nenti a wo mo fu aso nyina ene se ni production no se ye wa ho se ye import afiri obi ma so aba emu distribution ne ton ene ne use nyina eka ho bi enti na nyame ya adom aban na hyese yesi afefoforo ne mu a January ni da edi kan afempino ne aduonu nson January 1 2027 ena sa ban no ebe hyase aye adwuma na EPA fo se enye se wo mu fu abaji na yesu ekwasan se wo mu eni bibia ye na mmom no wo ma ye hwehwemu ahunu se sa take away packs no enye se bia ya de bone na mmom no wo mu ba be regulate no yiye kura se de be ya enkofa wo haw ni sunsanso bone bia mre ni papom den na ne wo ma aye mu hwehwemu ahunu nyina ene se sa take away packs no se ye de aduane a ehye egumu a chemicals be was a styrofoam ni mu a react with aduane a ehye ya nipa ne di koni mu a ehwo ne ma de nam de enye nyarewa ketwa ye bodi kura na wo yem hyehyew ena se wo de oil ensu egu take away pack mu a eno so chemical reaction bi koso sa styrofoam products no chemical reaction bi koso a eno so wudi ko wo yem a edin sunsuanso bebre na eba nanso Ghana ha aduane be pa na yedi gu take away packs mu a enye hye emo wache chese bibia bi ehye enti so omo ba ne de ne yeyi ni na free system no sanse obi kura no kwakoto aduane na dwoa menyini se nipa ne kura wo be kwakoto enti ni nyina kwakoye problem a sesi na adwedie ne sa take away use no nyina no ede ohaw bebre eba Director of Human Settlement ewo EPA eye Ora Hope Smith Lomote woni yensentwofo edi nkomo akyerkyeremu ekwan a wo mo befa so sa adwumadie no January 1 2027 ni dura wo mo eba beye sa adwumadie na sei en wodi tuja.
I would not say it's just a precautionary move. It has been reversed for some time now, and we have reached a point that we all know, say, yeah, hey, we need to get up. When we talk of even human health, what we are eating, if anytime heat gets in contact with this styrofoam, it releases chemicals that are harmful to the human being. To watch a hot kenke into, in the event of putting those hot food items inside, these chemicals are released. And oily food as well. You remember the sheet of, they are all oily. Immediately get in contact with these oils, it releases these toxins. And when acid also get in contact, you know, this orange, apples and coal, these are all acidic. When they get in touch with this styrofoam, they release a lot of toxins.
Ene ya yekoti esese wono na ekwankyerɛ fa woda Human Settlement ano ewo EPA Ora Hope Smith Lomote.
Na ayo mama na nimusam dada sa na nsentamu a na PRC mpanyefo bo amane yasanka ne ni nsuobo ye baba betum amana genegene mo abo pa wei ayade a July bosom de dika pepepe na ebehase na yantum kura no yatum be se emprenu ka kwa na mprensa so ama Ghana fo nyina ni hahan aka wo bi ama adwarefo nka bo ko guta Ghana Union of Traders Association e de one man watum e kire se we die wo montena se kura entena se enya hwehan sanse wo hwemu aka ne papa mu a PRC mpanyefo ya yeka wo mu asemi wo ya danta mo de ma Ghana ban ena fe ye ne a ye de ensuo ne nkane ya adwuma na so mpampi no ano eya na so makwa akogina ban no afa na wo mo ka bi de ma ban no eno so de nya de a wo mo adwarefo wo mbeti ase nam so nti wo mo boabo mo asie arese wo mo ne PRC fo kwa kohia na won madwene ho sa santomu no a won mo de ba no e wo se won mu twam sanse e ba e yade se be ma no mabo so akosoro yi papa na ebra guta efo ekasan president ademaguta Ora Clement Boatin wara na nsem trofo edi ho nkomo.
I will have to commend the Executive Secretary of EU after issuing this statement. He has called me and has arranged for a meeting to meet with Guta, maybe either tomorrow or Monday, because he himself attested to the fact that Guta is a major, stakeholder, and whenever they are going to, do price adjustment as far as utility prices are concerned, they will have to, engage us to also factor our input in the subsequent adjustment that will come.
I was away. I Ghana Union of Traders Association. I got a phone call from President Ora Clement Boatin.
Yet also a Boatin, so you will be a high. You knew said it on so Boatin and free Boatin. Now you rub Boatin, when you read the new Patriotic Party. Among you could move with the Boatin, your Boachi. A lawyer Henry Nana Boachi. Our no and na. We are national organizer, Edema the new Patriotic Party among you could. And watch him say party fue ajobreo. Nina for honorable Kennedy Japan in a dear free party mono. Now was the National Executive Committee made the new Patriotic Party among your kono. Wamujuma wamudi now much petition bebre bimo ekawon sem efa near SC and honin near air benino. Nano no say party ni mani ye and yet drama bia obia emfana boko I was aquanso.
So whatever happened outside, I cannot speak. I'm here to be briefed by our security, party security, and also some. But I can say that I did not see it. I don't really want to comment on it when I don't have the full details of what happened. But if anybody at all, they were protesting, however, it's a democratic tool. So, but then I would want to get the details before I can really, because I was indoors throughout the entire meeting. That is the more reason why National Executive Committee and National Council put a timeline on it. We said 2 weeks. They must present their report to National Executive and National Council, because we also know the kind of, anticipation from party. So we want.
Enti, one priye party no. Yenyi honorable Kennedy Japan free mono. Na ye na die se ye ubesie. Ye won konsan ye pia na tikwa free party mo no obesre wo mo. Wo say omo ye mini demonstration obesre wo mo pi ajobreo efa na yidie ne ho asem no.
Hypothesis regarding opening Kennedy or in Japan. The National Executive Committee, National Council, party which share na party so your Marabata, a book, your Humbra will be able. It ya refer a year petitions Nina at the Ama, a year the National Discipline Committee. You are a Mafata at now the Bill Council so some 2 weeks, say 2 weeks, or more far on report, and some the National Executive Committee and National Council na inside you na other general party this one and na Committee National Executive Committee and the National Council usually get a report from the regions, because we can the police station and the electoral area and CIU constituency TJ regional report from all the 16 regions say maybe and the problems one the National Council and National Executive Committee as a young country na you also na court cases and also no you two uniform normal resolve matters in but largely I think that
we any ayeti ye lawyer Henry Nana Boachi who ye national organizer edima the new Patriotic Party among you kono ochire mu say honorable Kennedy Japan na ye beyi na die no ebisi yenyi na di bisi me yenyi na di nsem bebre adwobreo empanifo hwehwem na de ebefiri ma babia yenyi etiefo aso emfirim.
Yeda so wo NPP amanyokoro mu na ne fa wa santemante mo mahase to constituency executives ahodo bi a wo mo hwe anim se wo mbedi dibre wo amanyokoro ntichupa wo asokwa na wo mu kire mu se nyame yadoma July ne de toso edu ba ko afiye mu en wo mo ebekọ abato no so internal elections no na wo makoyi constituency executives no intiverting no en wo mahase eye na wo mu kire mu se bi kwa o won beba no wo si da shirem chese o ti wo se akoyi bi so wo ho no ene ye bed on hwe de wo ho na ye etwen sere ne abasa e wo vetting committee na nimu ampanifo bebre no akere se de ye koso wa manyuko nom no e yade bia e hadwene na constituency executives aspirant ba ko eye Owura Eric Chei wono na e kwa pre first vice chairman e wo manso adubia constituency na wono e ko ne vetting ni wie ye no sei e na wode to yama ni boni Kwame Redu animu
chia tie from na and one is submit your forms and the rebate no and the balloting so they will be say we TS grounds na ya go to a campaign so na 11 July delegations so abechere baby am deputy secretary there say dissemination of information is very key pa the better say information via a free source a panel plan a better form of survival the better down and information means so here say a headquarters a regional via any video aside winning so teamwork here dey many ejefu pa we say me deputy secretary running the party day-to-day administration and say but say youth organizer a program na say nyina dey hojim ne be ya e be boa say be ya party be ya akono because you fit see youth no e ya atiada many so odi hunu ba ko pass many say e be Kenya the youth in Manso Dubia constituency here di duma ama party MPP for and I your congress and your phone ba ko mu ade the message other aspirants and say unya kwan be gina
Ora Eric Chei wono eka womo pre vice chairman dibre no e wo Manso Dubia constituency ne yete ne kan no achi Ora Joseph Entwiprempe ya wono so aye krado se wo be som se chorofo no wono so call ne die ne wie no wono kra de adesrede no wodi tu dwase amanyuku MPP nyame yadom 2028 obia me support bi se de be ya abato na womo ekono wo mbetimi adi nkunim na ne mapapi ene da wo manim a wo magana
MPP party ne dey party dia ye normal no professionalism no so because a elite party getting before na e be kono na ye contest na in fact o hwe tension na wo ground so no be e hwe say constituency secretary there any position na ye falasa because una be the engine for the party administratively una be try and make sure say o be hye amankata so wa ye adwuma o party ni mum initially na abembu kakra ba if say na supporters ne busa say me kwa na me nko betinya me ncha na ye metimi ba maba bet na ma be pick number 1 there kira say busu amekomanim na me wie bet ne bibia so tutum question bi e ba ye bia no so ne ko which is my crowd say meeting na secretary adwuma na ma constituency no agi ne bi ne afa ne ntuma panso efra party na o sisi em those days na your systems bi na efe analog na e bra na e chocho nkata bebre na chocho nkata na in fact insu kwa bitin akọbọ no ase no enam senti o mampanyi na sisi yi na obutu frank ama ye friend doctor
Ora Joseph Entwiprempe wono eka womo pre NPP secretary e wo Manso Adubia na yete ne nkan ya mani boni Kwame Redu ene di we bae
Otia Prompto Bakasiabo Free SOMPA 106.5 Accra. Yatua and some no aso. Wado Jumasubi Ewa Santemantem Kopo Kumasaya Edia Daso. Our National Service Conference and Award Ceremony. Now one more ayat Yama Yanamo, one more Asuma Bino Afeko. Now one more share aye one more film DP Ediabwa. Now Kumasemayo on Monya for Richard or for Yajima Buadia. Don't know about Manasa Kinzuba or Penny. Nejumadi Esin Nashi Papa Pan what you went into mine. And I'm so I'm what your foot atuja etrese wo minus ye wa dwen pobi ni tirimu pobi se wo bia kwasoma ban ne afoko a e wo se Ghana ban efa na dwuma wo abra wo ni akro no ano enke wo betumi de business idea bi ese na ni so se wo de nsa no nyuma bi wo ye nsa no nyuma bi ana wo ton nyuma bi a e betumi abo na mane sika nkakran ntie no se Ghana ban kura emfa nipa no na wonya wo kakra bi a eda wo no mu a wo ho entumi nkyere wo wose no ya de e wo se Ghana fo ye tumi hunu pa na ye koba na sa no a e beboa amada ne da nyina sujetere no a ye bo wo maimu no atu obetumi acha
Usually, we now we put a fast and do not. It we are doing all market. Only resource. The really not in my anymore. I make your address here as I say. You are emotional. That's not how you walk. What you be a play in woman. So they are not employer there now. So we are sorry. We are saving we do our marketing. So after we come we consult it. I'm the office you play me not about me. I'm the I feel that development
na what you know and Ashanti Regional Director at the National Service Authority Ora Emmanuel Regan one of so Edeka Kratuaso.
Nti betayene se bi adwuma pa ese se yebo na baso nti mo ho abaso bodi bi enna na ntiremu a ene ebi yesu no na but one national service one year as part of your service there now stay training you are able to aye bibi e dey abo enye bibi kakra ube to go there oru obuso nti neso mo take this opportunity to congratulate all aspirants.
I was away a year Ashanti Regional Director of my Ghana National Fire Service. National Service Authority. All right, Emmanuel Ghana money boy. Ebenezer Uswanza and anniversary.
Nina Kajumano ho emane yede. Yakuya ni mamrashe jeni o Doma West e Bono region Honorable Vincent Opon Asamoah. Na sama wodia to dwane say yepesa Doma impomden ba. Na Doma ho nyina Doma West ho nyina ne e sonigu omo nu say ya ase wo. Enti ade ba ko omo nim ne say e ba de friend free primary health care no a omo be page mu wo district ho. Eti e be so obi aso enya afa na wo yare ne de wasi bicycle so ba wo aka no ya sade natena bicycle so. What awo account ewiase awo timi kan ne de wato bicycle so as a bicycle no say wo bicycle no so enye se motor mpo yes wo ba awo aka no ya tam no a bicycle etie fo wiase yo na obey yeso na funa wo si bicycle so no obi twi sa ne ma ne nyina se free ho na awoka wanie ekwan ne ye ene ye ka bi na befa na de wo ambulance ye bi nie eno ho na motu no mutu se de be ye beboa ama Doma West no impomdin agina na so
mebo mama so bebre ni am ogidi se ye baba tomo na wo hwe condition and which some of you no ye adwuma ya na hard drink kakra na so ma volunteer say no betina yim kronkitwa no na ma ye adwumaden edi ama ya manfo wo kronkitwa no mo a no diri se etisa so fuduma pepepe na mo ye eti wa wuti se wo ye na wo ye no ye you know it yourself you be shabu kran ya so ya from the betimi abo a be mo adwuma na tima cost i.e. accommodation 2 network say telephone wo de a man be break or to be na say ontumi ye call and said not to prison until say with my standing telephone facilities akunku be say who how bit my communicating with the ADWOA I believe say am your for bit my any no and the road network ye kwaya ye faso ekodi ban say bit na bana wo say obi kura eba na say ahode no wo from na ntimi bit my refer e dey about the officer na e bit me amana akonjem.
When ye Honorable Vincent Opon Asamoah ono ne kasa ye no na owie ye na Owura Daniel Owusu Amponsa Doma West District Director of Health Services so eno no so kire mu se wo mo hia health professionals bebre wo mo so aye krado so wo mo be hye na wo magini pankwa
no ya ready say beson na ye wo how kakra ma me nso nkire MP many hospital no enye DSD nko a enye DSD any hospital ewura MP ewura BC ye ka asem ni ye moto sem e wo fo ukraine aban bo no homode na no ye be moto enan a ya che de ama facilities no ya san enya tricycle ya eno so e be boa ama ye ndwumadie akọ enkan ye sika asem so ye nka ho asem health insurance and sheda in Chia Papa a woman now one be ato afro. Last year the year, but I said this year no and sheda Emma 10 times staffing a problem you rampy. Yes.
We Owura Daniel Owusu Amponsa Doma West District Director of Health Services and Asha Boss omo so krado ready omo be ye adwuma ne krakra mu no Doma West District Chief Executive Officer Honorable Stephen Azoba Awuni wono nso de we eto so se wono ne mpanifo ni nyina aka bomu a wo mu bedi dwumade aboa incubators ye benya bi won Krankwanta Government Hospital ene ade eno nso chirechire mu sei
MP abegina manamu ene ono ankasa namu ahyebo se incubators no nyina aka no yensoso yafa ho ka timanya akwanya yi no me ka se majetum dikwan bia me MP ye be fa so a ibetumi anya incubators ni no ede aba na yede abeboa no ye be fa so me a megina ha ni me direct beneficiary of incubator enti eba incubator nsem ne de a no kwini edamakoma so pa enka mabata tse mistra Yamaka se idikra nkameto bese niansa anase ednan ede amamo na mnim se eyamene pa enso haya ye koye ni mo no ye behwe ne a ebetumi aye na
ni obre ni odie ne da ho no we ye Doma West District Chief Executive Officer Honorable Stephen Azoba Awuni eno no na kwaku mensa abrampa Doma hinkro ena etintim we ede ababesom ye
na abrampa free Doma West no no de yen call Doma Central Mensi Krache Onmonyamfo Dominic Adoma Meyaw en wode ato dwa se aban ewo sika bi a watwa na for to efre legacy project fund ya mpepi no yede ma assemblies ahodo na project a ekoso wo mensin mu a yenwie ye abandoned and uncompleted projects no eno na yede ye na wode ato dwa se sika na no nko antimi enso mensin assemblies ahodo no se wo mo fanye project no nti ya amanyofo no moko grassroots ho na moko ye mo campaign a monka no kora na nkyere omanfo no na wo munya wo mo ho ntease sanse wo ye MP wo ye DC na akwahye bose ye to abama wa wo ba bewie school dan wei wo ba besie jana bia wei wo ba be yese na wo ba na sa fund na aban na located the assemblies no entimi nso ba wo a na ekoyese de watu mfuturo gu omanfo ne ne ba ne sanso a na wo mo de pressure no odin e na e ba begu wuchemu na wo de ato dwase na nsen mu Bono Regional House of Chiefs a panyini pa wada na osagefo ose ade yo Dr. Ajeman Badu a wotoso mienu wone ne dom ya wono DC ka ho wo mo kɔ mampani atema ye na wotwetwe mu ma mampani John Domani Mahama ahye wo mo bɔ se enche wo mo ba bɛboa se de bɛya e-blocks facilities ahodo ya ɛwɔ hɔ no mo wo mo ba betwa foto bi dia support se de bɛya wo mbetimi awie nti wo manfo ati de nyame ene ne mpotem ahodo ɛwɔ Doma Central hɔ no obia enya botre enche sa projects no aban eba bewie
Nebano, Ewohono. Make I say, can bet me a complete the Dynamic Community Day School at Namitro. I know, say, last week here, many opportunity, Echo Jubilee House, many MP, Dr. John Comedy Jack, and I was saying for it, and I know that Bobono, AKOSUA NHYIRA. As part of Nana's speech, Okan was as part of a president, Synonymous, Okan say, and yet the young Unqua as such, but Community Day Senior High School, yet the answer can 2012 to 2016, Akahono, Abandon, a capture in our budget. Me, I in so I'm going to say, it should cut across the entire nation. Legacy, Chicano, Intimi, and Koyesa project. Intimi, I say, Baby, a dream percentage to you for a throne. It's a heaven or hamper. It's my could be. The Mampanina say, body say, oh, community days, senior schools, a binding a term, Antimi, and you know, the local budget in the ayo. So we expecting, say, on the door, Kaoye, over your, until the young for a seven, when you have a trade. There are lots more, Monsabaka, any only community day school in Kwa.
Enwachi ena DC ede to masebedwafo ahodo a womo NPP amyuku nanimu se we de ba ya na esi NDC fo na wo so na ekoso na womo de aya amanyosem wo se ni titru pa ene health project a ekoso e wa assembly ahodo no won besre se nanu de esi ya for military hospital agenda 111 de ya e ba nyina na obehwe na womo adane e de bo aban no sobo se womo e hyase na womo antimi anwi aban no complete na womo se sa health facilities and now projects na ya MPP for mo de yamanyosem no besre se sa niema no emwa wo man empuntu.
I've personally visited that project. MDC Abananya to be Jamara said, MPP Funja support Sinabayan and after the hospital and a day. Now when you project to me, Gaoza Ekokai. I don't want to go there because you see, I'm a bass, you have some problems. Yamasa, Yansu, Yabese, what creative mess. So we have also going to add more. That ours is to clean the mess before the creative ego. And also, there plans are far advanced. Agenda 1 and Masuno, so and also you have capture. Now, yeah, really. Those that ankle for no our body access to healthcare easily than several back here Doma President Hospital.
Ene ya yekotie yeyi eye onmonyamfo Dominic Doma Adoma Ameya wono na ye Doma Central MC Yamani Boni Kwaku Mensa Abrampa ene di wei ebaye.
Ene ye ko ende wo endpoint homeopathy clinic efise ho ene ye di ayaresa papa ma wo Dr. Duboateng ne dom sebra na kumase de kronoma boahia ene wo gina mu ankasa ena wo spinters kwano so a shell signboard na ye bia bidin wuduru ho no a wo de wonam spinters a wo se me pe shell signboard wo bia se endpoint ni o homeopathy clinic 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 eye endpoint Emma wo premature ejaculation eye endpoint Emma wo stroke no eye endpoint Emma wo kidney issues no eye endpoint Emma wo liver problems no eye endpoint Emma infertility eye endpoint Emma wo stroke no eye endpoint Emma wo kidney ni liver mu yare nyina homeopathy more than 18 years any ye di djuma ewo endpoint homeopathy clinic physiotherapy ede massage nyina eye adjuma enti frey ewo 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 027 423 4321 027 423 4321 Endpoint homeopathy clinic waya resafie papa eneho kasa natural mineral water no nsuo papa wate kasa natural mineral water no nsuo yema woni pedua kasa natural mineral water ye die mu a weekend di edahen party ne dahen wedding ne dahen eye ne dahen ye kan wo se ensuo wo de serve wa wo ho a wa mo de papa ensuo mu betimi anya typhoid ensuo mu betimi anya yare ensuo yare edoso nanso sa wonom kasa natural mineral water de a na se woni pedua no anya na bro bottled water sachet water dispensers ni nyina ebi wo ho Casaloma Ventures e wo Taifa Accra Bok Hospital echi ho kasa natural mineral water nie ensuo papa nie enti frɛ 020 6469430 02064699430 Hajia Special Local Foods dear Diana Papa Nwenya Kwatenten Hajia Special Local Foods ya wo hachokwana so Hajia Special Local Foods ya ye adwuma frɛ no pa no wɔtwe ekosi eremre no wɔtwe pa ho sema aduasa Hajia Local Foods enie Hajia Special Local Foods nie Diana Papa local ne continental dishes Hajia Special Local Foods nie wache jollof fried rice konkonte apreprensa nso nie Hajia Special Local Food yes serve mo aduane ya wo de Hajia Special Local Foods edem etu occasion bia wo wedding wo po bia mana serve wo ho aduane mu ahemfo ahema eho na obi adidie ingredients papa nya de apro ene ye de aduane ye nkasa abonte aduane ntie ye bisa Hajia Special Local Foods nie etima delivery gane enye busy ene ye fiada frɛ ne amfa mro 0246359921 0246359921 na wodem meka wo se sompa ka sebo na wotie free sompa 106.5 FM Accra aha sompa Accra 21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye nti abaso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni faso wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still sciatica expert.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home in TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankupon Kasa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodani na share radinsa. Na erade beye.
SOMPA TV Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa Parusia Damuase Yako Obimaiso. Na Venezuela manimu and yetri one muko point your friends Caracas. Arawasamo SC Ama Asasia Casa. Yakasa nipam pimpim ena one madani to quatene bimusho preprapa ya ano edin. Na one phone which remuana say, a nipa makuma how do you watching ena one more afri mo enam. asase wo so ya esi ye a Venezuela man no emu na wo mo chom se mo apem ahanum 1500 nso na baby a wo mo ta no ano ayeden ede ama wo mo na asase wo so no wo mo se de kya wo so mpre no de de kan no na magnitude ni 7.2 ana de to so no wo so ye kwa akire pa 7.5 nti eno na akwakwa ka pepiankoma amenei enipa 1500 baby a womota no eni ayenyan ediama wo no yekasa yi woman no mpanyimfo agusuada ebo wo homoden na wonma ye woma fam de abi ediaboa sane ye beya womo a wonma kwakwaka asase no ase wom so baby a wonmo da eni akwakwa enyan ediama womo no wometumi ajeje akra dodo no a enkwa ediesi ho na nipa pepiankoma womo emfirimu manenkofo wo ye ne kase emfa emeto woman no so
kwantinti bia kopie kotia kasebo no asinemum ensama yede esommo ene awie didi makotene bi ene se Director General de Magana Prison Service eyo orari patients bafo boni wodi afutu amagana fo se neduafo nso ye nipa wokoda prison ne ntese wabra ba sei eti omu ye die ne wo nka nkono ye nyina ye fa ye hu nhyemu bi
aprosifo ewo bonomantemu akire sofo baby prophetess Rebecca Kumi se abemu abi a wedding fishia na edunsia wote ne nkia wode krono ato ne so no wo meboa na hwehwemu enkoso
na awokase bokore mu a wote yesa interior minister yewa muntaka Mubarak esusu bribia mamra hwedwafo sa senkebetumi a aban ne ankrankra nyimako nyina ne yafa na sa drug test no yema bi nkoho
Lawyer Henry Nanabuachi na ye national organizer edema the New Patriotic Party amanyuko no de said ya to just say party etitafo adwobrɛw dodo na ase ono abo Canada Japan ye nyine to ase akonya de empamo no na ti confree party ni mu wose afei na nekefo tena so na kire yi no wo mo de ho asem ebeba betudwa
Ghana Journalist Association for nso wo mo de abetu dwa say Owura Larry Alansdogbe a wo ye publisher Emma the Herald newspaper ye kase high court no ahye se won kodamu enafua no makomako enso no yade bi e hadwen na lawyer for se wo mo ko appeal
Ghana Union of Traders Association guta enso adiaba wo mo so wo mo boabo mu hu anche wo mo ni PRC mpanyimfo ebehia
Attorney General akache se echema wontumi asem e wo court a lawyer foforo a wonya no Samuel Atachia Sinka ye mo bre kakra ansa na atemu na ba no wo mo enne na nya adwene se wasesa lawyer fo mpo no a esesa asem no yeto aso
Environmental Protection Authority for ediatu dwa se abanjina ya wasie se styrofoam takeaway packs ahodo no nyame ya dom a January 1 2027 womo ebebre from my Ghana emuno womo eta chiripa
na Kumasi Mayor Yewa Richard ofori ajimabodini amaneboni Ebenezer Ogusu ansa enso ekasa ya wose yese national service personnel for no bia nhwese owie suku anase mpo no owie na dwuma ene soma wo soma ban no a wono ankasa bepensa no nyuma biaye
Kwaku Mensa Abram Panso de Fidoma Hinkro bedan ye se Honorable Vincent Opon Asamoah wahye boss wo beboa mampom dina bafom a ebi mma na ebi nsi da se oba ekwa wo so ne de na si bicycle so se ye de na ekọ ayaresabia
Saranso ne de besom se NPP amanyuko ne krabata wa santemantemu asokwa ene ne mpotem wo mahase totototo constituency executives ahodo wo mo pese wo mba predibre ewo amanyuko no vetting ekoso
yara kase wor nyina akọwie ewo Venezuela man no emu asase wo so a asi wo ho amanipo ha de wo twonwotwe wo mo afimu
Kasiebo efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na fire headquarters e wokumase SOMPA 93.1 FM Madam Fopa Radio Paris France Doma FM Doma Hinkro 100.7 Nkranza Minselnum 90.7 Techiman SOMPA 106.1 FM Sunyane SOMPA 98.9 Mankasim ye Kingdom 106.1 FM Kanesh Urban Radio Kaneshi Market Decoder so baby radio wono SOMPA FM ye Facebook page no sabre ye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra live ya now the live no asoso amaye YouTube no so ye SOMPA FM live your website here www.sompaonline.com Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic ebo ye chidom and ye deprem to brekasi boy brew kasa natural mineral water boy na hajia special local foods and so eka ho ye ne de kasiboi esum wawie eye me die nyame ye hira no AKOSUA ago abowaje wobetimi so afrem AKOSUA nhira me ne me adult children
ADWOA ASARE AGYEIWAA
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA kwade boatin
yes sorry see
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo Heba Clinic Abakra, and you won't hear passengers a Gumikaimi, a Hana Dudwana Aircraw. Hey, and the Sakran and put away the moon. And yet the Muampa, the Sadia, a Duchem, Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, need send the 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss Connection and Shadam Koye, na Sakakra, to say what Peggy Mama, what you have them. Connection, what you about the crow? Stroke on so dear, what found small. Chessa, I did you who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and the show. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obepim, or Pokuase, Maira Quanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. And 0500 727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Woodima for Newa.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the OBN himself a prostate. Na baby omutibi screening. Emma huni ye etuasia. Na a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anasa a kidney, a liver problem. Wofa baby and ajujo. Na the funny premature ejaculation noa. Be maybe a one would offer kwakweshia. As a wood dinner huagro. As a wotonte. Any ebra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na yamuao. A man mema mopa wo. A Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wamu demufua. Yari infections be never home and answer be a wash of baby now kidney problem prostate dear a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic who must say Ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic ever Konoma boy here and Accra Hanso so dear Omujemu Ankasa I was painted by a friend share signboard no who drew now Busasa Wope Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic Obia Ebetro for Endpoint Ewo 0244 867068 and 0274234 Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wamu de mufua. Ghana Bishmaima. Nuni AKOSUA NHYIRA. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Yedi jumedie bia bae de beboa yankasi abrabo. Aye friend SOMPA Rhapsody. SOMPA Rhapsody. Ebosu efi ejuada ekosi efiada. Anopa no mochi kosi anopa no ndu pepepe. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Enti share radio counselors. Reverend Professor Joseph Osafwadu. Oh, ye clinical psychologist. Now ye theologian. Being what Abrabomu Nimdia, any AKOSUA NHYIRA, and will reduce Ejuada Ekosi Efiada, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now, Benya Abrabomu Yansan, Yabamo do Anamo SCCA, Sabibimpo and AKOSUA Abrabomua, I wouldn't name near Sasawaya, a yet Nayan Tufu, I was SOMPA Rhapsody, so now what do Anamo SCCA? In a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships, and silent struggle, SOMPA Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya mwanka samudio ya pesa abrabone ya mrema ya pesa wudi nimdie ebobra ya pesa isiwi. Ente shanonso ejuada ekosi efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. anope bia netie SOMPA Rhapsody na wabrabo ebesisa. SOMPA Rhapsody ye die ni daso abro. SOMPA Rhapsody. SOMPA Rhapsody. Wo radio counselors chen so mo bebro. Free me, mama, yeah. Fire, yeah. Somebody like,
yeah, boy, yeah, ba. SOMPA delight. Yeah, dear bro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha, so Frobi, no be so Frobi Nakashani say Abna Ruthie. It was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Or the SOMPA delight, bro. Thank you, baby. 106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama onyankupon reyahon wat yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Bra Australia Sasishia. Bro Nyankupon Kasa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA first service entwa wo ho hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye
Afedia SOMPA no trendy o. SOMPA is trending and trending and trending. Trendy pa. Edino kwa pa. Enti ya declare say SOMPA is no more a new station. Enye new kra. Because ure mu se si an na bebe ya haja bebira to agu ure mbebe kra. Yeah. Ayasem. Haja bebira to agu.
They should look at the business side of comedy. Business side of comedy now. In this case, I'm talking about structured tours. Almost structure tours in here because remember, who want to mean your comedy the whole way? You would have to bring people on board. Who to me at that structured tour? I feel they should also try to build a good digital brand. Almost to me a very good digital brand. Then corporate institutions, then we should also be able to educate the corporate body as to what comedy can do for their corporate brands. Yet to me, yes, Anna, I believe say we not face no. Me feel say we see to me government support. Now government support, we are looking at tax relief. Yet to me a form of tax relief for creative events. Me just say ebeboa. You to me not that thing ebeboa. Yeah.
What I wanted to say,
unfortunately, structures are lacking. They are lacking structure.
As far as what the awarding about be good and I'm going to
oh, where's the point?
Yes, it will be a bit for saying content. No, the I am for air. So we are then you become an influencer. The comments are Sako your body can create you or anyone does so. Sometimes people call me Uncle Fred. I want you to write an article about my song and answer the member. Let's try to work the sometimes don't let people know your sometimes don't let people know your value. Sometimes they be an charge you. Who are going to catch a charge a day? Lucy Pa, Timothy, I'm going to cut over 5,000. They'll say 2,000 per Jimmy. No, I beg you. It is sometimes you don't go away no more, you don't charge them. Bless me. And no, I chat to going to more.
Okay.
Most of
was sending me read me about sukus. Makosa, then you create your me and you know and you want the papa.
Wow.
Baby, tear yana mu say because the harmonies, you know, they record. I'm going to say no to me. So obi, to you to on to the same and you especially I want me a BVs.
Okay.
Or 2-1. Yeah, soprano one. How can you repeat? And yet the same.
Okay.
There's a little difference. Now panic or 2 I will say, actually, you know, salary on your and a passing in a delivering vibrations and ever. It went to the Conga also. Makes me a 2 Clemente, Shiba. Oh, if you go on the social media right now, Michael Jackson, epic movie by among what's that digging into his past to see a name or na rap who share my friend human nature. Na kwana decode no say you may you have between instruments now take the breath control and didn't new and there's a breath because a yaman eating from artificial. And in terms of the music industry and Ukrainian yes, and the unemployment be by the employment unemployment man say so be a bomb studio. No banana bomber on there, you know what to say I say.
Yeah.
No call if you choose to send in dynamics. But say don't be near but why the consumer doesn't care whether you use AI.
Exactly.
Do it. Get a blue wire by a baby.
Yeah.
With the AI and the version be our baby part, remember who out to the bones.
And look at us and
the papa.
I think I'm never for God and country.
It's me even telling you, I'm just enjoying it. I don't care how it was made. But in the natural sense, if you go and perform it, how do you say the question?
80 uncle friend. Send me the AI she. Now my quack record this way.
Oh, fine. There should be a balance. Element of life, performance, kakra womb, and then kakra womb. Maybe all your mixes because they are mixes. See, if I be automated and I'm a babexano. Oh yeah, I'm also a reverend. Need more two way mixes in a good man save and they're talking AI. AI artificial intelligence. It's a to all. It's a baby will be missing from at this environment. It's a crowd on maybe but international conference center.
Now, a cocono, a special view. I say, she be almost man and yet soft to be sano. Not a mood dead. Nigga, you go and nip beans in the cosse. Make my picture. I don't go. Make my picture. And someone goes to school.
I think a idea. Maybe some member could be by me. Omo de ba me hu. Omo mix it. Emu kokon ni beans ni e fra dada.
Sister, uni ma de no. Uni. Oh, yeah ma two uni. Ampa emu na ye gusi de.
Na you working as na nice.
Omo make jaba den say ba ya ni esa gari na gu na me say obi to me the gari ya ne de ne say eyi. Hey, benku din.
So who said gari na de ma wo. Dani wo. Uchu mutan enya ogari a open no enso because ya na kakra bi a mo che to no bi
enya watch abortion
oh
yeah one kai
what sugar guma ma fe ngun
naira
na bis
aye say
na no esa uji ya unu origin soup no so go
so ba ko na class ada ya ko bi corridor ko na class order ka onipa osisi inu ti so bi ka wora don't be about the other time.
And that is not prep because usually I have lunch, you know.
Yeah.
Mama for CS.
But the avoiding about the good equine and I'm going to find.
Oh, where's the coin?
Yes, it will do a bit for saying content. No, the Ayana Mambo Air. So we are then you become an influencer. The problems are Sako your body can create you are anyone does so. Sometimes people call me Uncle Fred. I want you to write an article about my song and answer the member. Let's try to walk them in charge. Sometimes don't let people know your sometimes don't let people know your value. Sometimes they will not charge you. What could catch a charge a baby? Ruti fa, Timothy, we cut over 5,000. They'll say 2,000 per Jimmy. No, I beg you. It is sometimes young people while you no more, you don't charge them. We say bless me. And no, I chat to going to more. Could be my one, not what to say. Influencer people are more honor. When you're numbers, no, tell me, 75k. Any idea, me, of course, Facebook. I don't want to go to more 75k. Apart from that, no, you will be follow me. There are not on the social media, there are a lot of people who follow here. It is already be at their buy friend eyeball.
Yeah.
And I'm going to whoa, sending you pay near many. Look, remember what, but they will never like it.
Like it, exactly.
It will call you of his room, and friend. I don't know what the actual time now is so. I'm afraid I read the articles. The articles have changed my life. They become penny. It's the virtually, the kind of impact the man for you. The TikTok, baby, and wow, only do muda. My Tony might be brave in TikTok. Wait, the tomato means him to be so been a one find a number. Me, but like I said, last year, about 30% or 40% of the women came from TikTok.
Wow.
Me bought him store, lady be or her, or you could form a fanwa. Me present me buano, or you too, or call her bron to bar or fat. A comfort no more no more my bonus zero ship. Now me that took through that, you know, a beer quiet and maybe there are a lot of opportunities. There's no be our radio TV station once I don't hear data. So we need to from and all tongue, penny airtime. Teaching from our TV. But teaching a good guys really Eddie. As I said, the idea now. When you're airtime, there are a lot of things that we can do. When you be by my was a friend. I didn't hear their mom. It's a camp one. What is the camp one? And it's true. She can't watch us and lay. For the last month, a do better woman connect physical consider me so be virtual money. When he is Canadian, it's got bad many times there. I be going to win one a the kinds of first mobile phone buy Jingle say, many Michael Smith around 1992, 91,
Wow.
No big tell.
Okay.
So if you look at the mobile phone or at that time, never be doing. I saw do cry. Atom is vocal space.
Timber.
Atom is vocal space. Only iPhone 17 and I said, what's the last version? 17. I don't want to future. It took away now. Cut TikTok a while. Makacho momo ye nyum nyane say. Why nyum? Sound kwanya on your mon or their twice, and I was sound kwanya.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. People will if you can walk over your own kwana or saddle. Afro Savinia bar. There are a lot of opportunities.
Yeah.
One lady,
I go very Bohobio.
They say.
Because they're a good point for up and coming. They will be all promoting
me. Music was my hobby. Sorry, I have never gone to any music school. Because sound engineering school be that all my life. But the impact I will make it was JP a pitch is going in. Because of my sound background, it's before anyway, boom one. Keyboard, okay, and so sorry, Dominic. What go really fast on you? Oh, to be trying to come okay, so my left but say that here, so application. And your book keyboard to know my mom for chair car.
That's right.
Then you follow whom your hand can be.
That's right.
So TikTok already there. So I give you there are varieties of things and if I call 83 oh, Freddie Macra, so tweet Trump. Trump, be right take a don't ever be credit. And I won't pack. Oh, tell me, yeah, me sound we have AKOSUA money. You can be bringing me crack. And before I don't walk away once a year, change it will be. I call the whole year. No, I hear a Jumano. The thing is,